with PJ's Glass Creations. Have you ever found that you want some eyeballs for a project and you just don't want to use like a black nugget or a black circle? It just wouldn't add enough detail. For example, this Santa, he wouldn't look the same if he just had black eyes. So I made some eyeballs for him. So this is a really quick, easy tutorial to show you how to make eyeballs with scrap glass. To do this, I'm using scrap white, and I also have some scrap transparent teal. I think it's important that it's transparent. I think it makes it look a little more lifelike. You can also use different colors. You could use a brown, you could use a green. Just make sure that it's transparent. And I'm also using a 17mm hollow core diamond coated drill bit, and a 6mm drill bit, again, hollow core, diamond coated, and I'm using a drill press. You can use a regular drill, and if you don't have a drill press, and even if you don't have these drill bits, you can do the same thing. Just use your tools, do it by hand. With the help of your grinder, you can get them nice and round, and you can make your eyeballs that way. I'm going to take these two pieces to the drill press, and we'll cut some circles, and then we'll put them together, put them in the kiln, and they'll be done. Sometimes when I'm drilling these, I find that it breaks off before it has a chance to cut all the way through. And if that's the case, I just use my nippers and I finish what the drill bit didn't finish. It leaves it a little bit irregular, but I can clean that up on my grinder. So I have my parts ready, and it's very simple. All I need to do, I'm using super glue. Don't use a gel. Always make sure that it's a regular super glue. And I am just going to glue my pieces right on the edge of the white circle. And then I have some enamel. This is from AAE Glass. It's called Easy Fire enamel. You can use other enamels. I've used Glassline paint, just anything, any kind of black paint that's fusible. And this is a dotting tool. I got it off of Amazon, and it comes in like a multi-pack of different sizes. And all I'm doing is putting the pupil of the eye on. And that's all there is to it. I'm going to dry my enamel, and they are ready for the kiln. I'm going to put them in for a full fuse so they get nice and round as this one is. My eyeballs are done. Now it's time to find a project to put them in. Maybe I'll make some more Santas. By the way, if you like the Santa, check out the link at the end of this video or in the description of this video, and you can make one too. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can also visit me on Facebook at PJ's Glass Creations. I also have a shop on Etsy, pjsglasscreations.etsy.com. I'd love to have you watch some of my other videos, and I'd love to have you do some glass crafting with me. Have a good day. Bye.